Good afternoon, traders. How's everyone doing? Happy Sunday, happy weekend. Right, so in my last video, I identified that, let's just go to a different time frame. In my last couple of videos, we were looking at this price action here, and I said that if we did get acceptance back into the value area low, we'll be looking for higher targets. And so we did actually break through this weekend with low volume. We are currently above the point of control. So we want to see a retest of this point of control for acceptance higher. And the next price level I'll be looking at is 119,500. Actually, this is a trade that was given yesterday to the VIP group. They took this trade, so yeah, everyone's happy in big profits this weekend. So let's have a quick look. Now we did take a couple of short positions here as well. The reason being is if you anchor this VWAP from the top, you'll see that we were getting rejection. So we did play some shorts and longs in this zone here, but I actually give a good trade out, good signal trade set up at this price level here, 116,500, and also at the PD previous day equilibrium, which is sitting at 117,126. Yeah, so there's two long setups which I personally taken profit from, but we are probably expecting higher. I think all this liquidity will be taken out, and there is a possibility we can take that high out this week. A possibility, but you have to be careful because we have a lot of data coming out this week. So looking at the actual calendar this week, we do have, we have it's Tuesday CPI. So this inflation data, which is quite important. So we want to see that come in. Well, the expectations are 2.8, which is higher. Oh, I just saw that now. Yeah, that's not good. That doesn't look good if it comes in higher. So we want it to come in really lower. But yeah, we want to see how the actual stock market opens up, the futures market tonight. But we do have a lot of data, unemployment claims, unemployment change. We also have the core PPI as well. Yeah, packed with data this week. Plus, we have Circle earnings and a couple other earnings as well. So, yeah, just something for us to have a look into. So I didn't realize that was a bank holiday in JPY. Okay, interesting. So we are seeing crypto come up quite a bit over the weekend with low volume. That's the problem. It's with low volume. So we have a look at the liquidity. We have a bit of liquidity up here. But these liquidity pockets can increase as people are applying more margin, the short holders that are sitting above here. So we just need to keep an eye on that one. Like I said, I am looking for slightly higher pricing, providing we can hold this point of control. Even if we do lose the point of control, I would not want to lose 117,126. So you could be looking at some long positions there. It's always wise to hedge against these long positions in this sort of price range. That's why currently I am in a hedged short as well, from 119,200 with a tight stop loss. So yeah, we just got to be careful really. I mean, if we do smash, and I say smash, if we do smash through, I would say let's say 121. Yeah, I'm expecting all-time highs this week. We could front run CPI, we could front run some of the other data, so we just need to be a bit careful. Also, something you need to be aware of is when you start seeing or hearing so much influenced sort of media on BTC, especially when the big media companies get involved, and that's been going on all weekend. That's something we need to consider to be cautious about. I'm not saying the top is in. I don't believe the top is in. I'm just saying that we need to be cautious. Yeah. So if we look at some lower time frames, we can see that we are coming towards to test the point of control here. So we want to see some volume come in tonight, or when the markets open, and I will be looking for a another scalp long position. As I said, I am short from 119, so I'm going to hold that short. But if I do get stopped out with a long, it's okay. I don't mind, because we do have some imbalances as well. So you want to be looking at this level here. You want to be looking at this level, and we don't want to be losing this VWAP here, which is sitting at 117574. So you don't want to be losing this. Like I said, you know, we want to hold this for a continuation up. If we lose that, it could go wrong. Now we do have a CME gap as well. So we do have a CME gap below us, which, you know, may quickly get filled, and a quick buyback. So we want to be looking at a quick buyback on that as well. See that this was a trade setup given to my community who are trading on BYDFI, BYDFI exchange, which is quite a good exchange. You can see that the trade setup was given yesterday, and they waited for this price entry of 116500, and I advised them to take some profits at 118220. So this is my own account. I did close the actual trade at this price level. Yes, the BTC price did increase and go up, but I was looking for a hedge short, and plus I wasn't really at my laptop either. I also took a secondary trade at a similar level, which was trade setup 2, which was a confirmation trade at 117500. I entered late and I closed at the same price as well. My community done very well this weekend. We had a couple of short setups, a couple of long setups, so they made a lot of money over this weekend. So yeah, I took that trade on KCEX, which is a very good exchange as well. Both exchanges I have showed you are very good. And currently I'm holding this short position at the moment with a stop loss at entry. I have taken some profits, but I do have my entry actually protected, so if we do go back up, it's not a problem. So we can see some setups here on the actual the trading club itself, and some setups that actually came in play. So community was very happy about that. And we can see that we had another setup on the 8th, which is a Friday setup, which played out very well. We can see the order flow underneath. So these trades, I have actually made a video on these trades, on which will be going into a more of a deeper video, and some indicators that we have developed, which is going to be free for new members that do join up using my referral link. Now, coming back to BTC, let's have a look. So we are looking at this price action live. Let's just bring out some other. So a quick look at the order flow. So I'm just using Market Monkey at the moment. It doesn't matter what you use. We will be doing some ATAS order flow videos very soon. So I just want to see really here where we got some bid support. So I just had an alert that BTC's gone to 118451. So my short position is printing really well. So we want to see, we see some, we do see some volume coming in. We do see some really high supports here. So yeah, 117500. We don't want to be losing this. We can actually come down a bit more, but I do see some buy pressure here, because I think we also did not tap into 1193. Okay, and I do see some other people wanting to sell BTC above 120. So yeah, I'll be looking for another long position at 117 500 to 118 200. So in this area here, I'm going to be building some more long positions. So that's a free trade for you guys, and you guys can take that trade and use the extra bonus that the exchanges give you by using my referral link. That helps me make more content which is free, and provide you free setups in the Telegram group. So this is a great exchange if you guys want extra bonus. Even if you deposit $100, they're giving you 50% free For those people who want to trade with $1,000, you're going to get $200 bonus. Very good exchange. I use them every single day. Amazing liquidity, amazing app as well. Now, if you do join using my referral link, you do get free access to my Telegram trade setup group, and also you'll be eligible for a webinar that we're doing in cooperation with Atas on order flow, which is a free webinar, but you have to deposit and trade on this exchange here. This is exclusive to BYDFI. Like I said, they're an amazing exchange. I'm not just doing this to make, give you any BS. They are very good sponsors of the channel, and they just help us make content and good setups. Now, if you go back to my last 10 videos, which setup hasn't worked? The free YouTube setup. Obviously, during the day, I give 4 or 5 setups on BTC. So I mean, if you go back and have a look at the price action and where the price actually went, we work in accuracies. We're not like influencers. I'm not going to tell you to put limit orders in and this and that. That's all BS. You're going to get wrecked. You want some good trading advice with proper risk management, then join the Telegram group by depositing minimum of $100. Send me your UID and you get access in. Second sponsor we have of the channel, and this is not a sponsorship video, is KCEX. This is really good for scalping. This I use for quick scalps in and out altcoins, and also BTC as well. So if you want to be scalping altcoins, and there's going to be a strategy video coming out very soon on how to scalp altcoins, yeah, you want to be using an exchange like this. The link's in the description below. So yeah, let's have a quick look at BTC again and see what's actually going on. Let's just bring it out. Let's have a quick look at this. We'll actually go to a 15-minute time frame, which is quite a good time frame. Oh, look at that. The VWAP has expanded up right where the point of control is. So yeah, this should be a good support level. If not, we're looking at the lower support level of the VWAP band. So yeah, you're looking at some long positions in this zone here, guys. And target is 9119400 to 500. Next target would be 12300, then 121,400. And if we do break 121,400, expect all-time highs. Easy to do. I wouldn't short here, although I am in a short. I wouldn't short here if I was you, but you need to be a professional trader to take short scalp positions. And if you want to learn about that, join my group. This will be my last video for the next 2 weeks as I'm going on vacation. However, the Telegram group is always active, and we are always giving daily setups. I have a team that looks after that. I will be doing some updates only on X, so you need to go to X and follow me, and the link is in the description below. So that's all I have for you for BTC. Trade safely. Remember, we have a lot of data coming out this week. Don't get trapped. Okay, have a great day, guys.